We found a Rolls-Royce in the jungle. Arrival at the workshop. Heart surgery, rebuild and reinstall. Deep in the middle of nowhere, hidden beneath years of dirt and silence, we found something unbelievable. An abandoned Rolls-Royce left to rot in the jungle. A symbol of luxury forgotten by time. But the real question is, can we bring it back to life? As we got closer, the condition was worse than we imagined. The paint was gone, rust had taken over, and nature had already started reclaiming it. It looked like this car had been sitting here for years, maybe even decades. No signs of the owner, no clues about its past. Just a once beautiful machine slowly fading away. But even in this condition, you could still see its elegance, the iconic shape, the presence, the legacy of a true luxury masterpiece. We knew one thing for sure: we couldn't just leave it here. So we made a decision. We were going to rescue it. Getting it out wasn't easy. The ground was unstable, the car was stuck deep, and every move had to be careful. With the help of a crane, we slowly began lifting it out. Mud started falling, rusty parts shaking loose. It felt like we were waking up something that had been asleep for years. Once we got it out, we transported it back to the garage. And that's where the real work began. This wasn't just a cleanup. This was going to be a full transformation. We started with a deep clean. Layer after layer of dirt, slowly washing away. And for the first time, the real beauty of this Rolls-Royce started to reveal itself.